we've been married for 5 years, and we have 3-year-old twins named Haley and Henry. We call them the Gemini twins. We live in Cordova, which is a suburb in Memphis. Renting in Memphis right now is really affordable.
We love renting mainly because of the low maintenance.
But our bedroom and the kids' room need a lot of work.
We really love living here. We're willing to put some money into it. And we have about $6,000 saved up for our room and the kids' room.
So this is the problem area. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
This is our bedroom.
Your bedroom.
/ kids room.
Since we moved here, our kids have been sleeping with us in the bed.
In this bed.
This bed, all 4 of us, and a dinosaur if you let Hank do it.
I feel so sorry for you.
Well, so you can help us get them out of the bed in their own space so they can sleep in their own bed, because that's my goal.
I can at least give you 2 separate sleep spaces. I will leave the sleep training up to you after that.
Okay.
I checked you guys out. I mean, y'all are so fun and you guys are best friends. I would love to know what you envision for this space.
We want to get the romance back. Let the kids have their own space so they can be creative and we can be creative together.
Yes.
And possibly add a little bit of culture in there as well. I've seen some of your work and I would love to incorporate the African-American culture.
Okay, good, because I don't see any of that reflected in here.
None at all, and that's what we've been struggling with. Everything in here came from an estate sale. So
Okay.
although it came from someone else, we want to make it our own.
Okay, now how do you feel about your headboard?
It's definitely dated.
I don't hate it. It's clean lines, and I love the wings on the side.
Yes.
I would love to incorporate it in the new design, but elevate it a little bit.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna layer a little something behind it to bump up that texture factor.
I like that.
Now, tell me about this piece over here. So is this piece from an estate sale?
Yes, it is. We like it, but we're not in love with it.
I love it.
You like it.
I love it.
I think with maybe just a new paint color, this piece could really transform into something that you will love and can keep forever for very little money.
I'm okay with it.
Okay. Have they ever slept up here?
Never. When we moved here, we did have cribs.
Okay.
They never slept in them, so I sold them. They've been with us ever since.
Okay, so they live rent-free in your bedroom. Tell me more about Hank and Haley.
Well, Hank is more cool, calm, and collected, like Dad.
Okay.
Haley, bossy. I'm not gonna say who she's like,
Okay.
but
Okay. Have them create some artwork for us to hang. It'll cost just the price of a couple of picture frames. Is that something you guys can help me with?
Yes, we can do that.
All right, y'all skedaddle, get on out of here.
Been running to you, the heavens, hallelujah. I gotta tell you, you've been on my mind.
All right, guys, it's time to get this space cleared out. I would love to have some luxury vinyl plank installed. So once the room's clear, we have got to get this carpet up.
Okay, I'll get on that.
All right, Yanni and Freddie, thank you. I've got around $6,000 for paint, new floors, and furniture in both rooms. So I'm gonna get it all done in 3 days to save on labor costs. I wanna create an accent wall in Melanie and Henry's space, but I don't want it to be just paint. Vinyl flooring in both rooms will cost about $1,700, but it's worth every penny. So I'm gonna save wherever I can. It's gonna take a lot of heavy lifting, but hopefully we can get it done.
Explosion. Vision gonna leave me.
Oh, you guys have been busy.
Hey, yeah.
Hey.
Getting this knocked out real quick.
It's so much brighter in here already.
Good.
We're staying neutral on the walls, but we're going bold in another place.
Ooh.
So I want 3 panels all sandwiched together so it looks seamless. I want them installed vertically, and I want 1x1 slats. So it ultimately looks like a big piece of art behind the bed.
Awesome.
Now I want these installed so if they ever move, they can pick these up and take them with them.
Got it.
Do we still have the dresser that was over here?
Yeah, but what do we want to do with that?
I want it painted matte black, please, with a black chalk paint.
Okay, that's easy.
Yes.
What about the hardware?
We're keeping the hardware, but shine it up a little bit.
You need to get tomato paste then.
Ooh.
That's how you do that.
Oh, good tip. That's inexpensive too. This project will cost less than 50 bucks.
Awesome.
The walls in the main bedroom are now a calming ivory. And in the twins' rooms, we're painting fun murals on the walls that really gets their little brain juices flowing. Meanwhile, Dylan got the wood milled for the slat wall, so I'm gonna roll up my sleeves and get to work.
'Cause I just took a hit of some.
So how many of these are we gonna make?
This is 4 feet wide,
Yes.
2 more.
Great. What color are these gonna be?
Spicy hue.
Is that spicy hue?
No. I'd call this neon coral.
All right.
Where are you guys gonna paint it?
I think what we should do is install it and then paint it in place.
Perfect. This is going to bring so much texture into the space. They're gonna love it. I want them to feel a little cozy and keep them safe since they're still toddlers. Is it possible to like build some rails, side rails, you know, like when you're bowling, and then make them removable for when the kids outgrow them?
Sure. So I would just make something slotted that it can sit here and attach from the inside.
Okay, that would be great. The kids are gonna love these. Miss Gloria promised the headboard would be reupholstered by tomorrow and ready for me to paint. Meanwhile, we're turning an estate sale relic into a modern statement piece, and for practically nothing. How much was this paint?
We got a quart for about 26 and some change.
26 and some change. Dylan, how is your tomato paste hack working? Is it shining up?
Yeah, it cleans it up. Just take some elbow grease.
How much was your tomato paste though?
About $1 a can. I got 2 cans here.
Okay. This entire transformation, whole new dresser, less than $30?
And delicious.
You can take control. Come on, tell me what you're thinking. Won't you tell me what you're thinking right now? I wanna get close to you. Just wanna get close.
This looks great.
Thank you very much. Sensible hue.
No, spicy hue.
Spicy hue.
Spicy. Remember, we're bringing the romance back in
Does
here.
look spicy.
Spicy. This is such a cost-effective way to layer texture and color into the space. And it's removable. They're not gonna remove it though, because they're never gonna leave this room. Never.
What?
Oh my
Look
gosh.
at all this, look.
This doesn't even look like our bedroom anymore. It looks completely different.
It's fancy.
You did so good.
I'm so glad you love it.
I'm not. I'm not.
This space we completely transformed into a soulful cultural retreat, all within your $6,000 budget.
Oh my goodness. This is definitely everything and more.
We took the walls neutral, just the light ivory. Your carpet is gone.
Oh my gosh. I love it.
I told you guys before about a luxury vinyl plank product. This is that product, completely durable, easy to clean.
Man.
And of course, this slat wall. It's 3 individual panels. They are completely removable.
I never would have guessed it.
On a bedside table, most people would go for lamps, but I wanted to suspend your fixtures. They make a true statement without cluttering up your nightstands.
You sure this is our house?
These are actually plug-in fixtures, also great for renters.
It's very different, very unique.
So this old dresser that was once part of an estate sale is now a statement piece.
OMG, love the color.
We painted it matte black, shined up the hardware, and completely modernized this piece.
Oh, I love it. These beds.
Perfect size. Look at the colors right there, different too. That's a great touch.
Hey, baby. Yeah, get on the bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, get on the bed.
I am thrilled that I got to work with Melanie and Henry and give them a space where they can reconnect as parents, but also as best friends. And now the kids have a room of their own to thrive in.
Say cheese.